Hey guys, Alicia here. I wanted to make some important announcements about my YouTube channel, where I'm going, what's going on, and things to be looking out for, and also some things that you can do to be even more successful about making money online. And I was inspired to do this video today after I received a question on a video I had made a long time ago, several months ago. It was an SVG a video that I had made. And they were basically saying, so do I put this in with printables? And, so here's what I have done. Okay, first of all, if you know what my channel is about and the meaning of the channel, I started this channel because I wanted to teach people how to use their creativity, their design skills, without having to spend any money or very little money at all. Because you can start an online business without having to spend any money or very little money at all. So, and I also, in addition to that, keeping it not only budget friendly, I'm trying to keep it user friendly. Photoshop is an excellent program, and, it is, but it's also very expensive, and it's not user friendly. I know that they also have the free version, and you can get GIMP, which has a lot of features that Photoshop does, but I'm telling you, nothing beats Photoshop. Photoshop is amazing, but you almost have to I would have to create an entire different YouTube channel on teaching how to use Photoshop. So, by using things that like iPicky.com, which is what I use, PicMonkey, Paint.net, there's just so many things that you can use. I also use Lunapic. Those are all free programs that you can use to, use your design skills. I know I do have a few people that use Inkscape, and if you like Inkscape, you can also use that as well. So, is what I have done is with my YouTube channel, and if you're new coming in, I can see where it could be confusing, because I have taught all of these things, like, how to make and sell wall art printables, how to make and sell wedding stationery, how to make mock-up photos, how to make design elements and sell them on Etsy, how to make and sell watercolor wreaths, how to make and sell wedding invitations, how to make and sell SVGs and other file types in theme bundles. So, you don't have to do all of these. I've done digital paper. I'm just mentioning just a few. How to start a business card business, and you can do this all on Etsy. Now, I have been focusing on Etsy a lot, but there are so many other ways that you can make money online. Now, to simplify everything that I have done in these videos, I came up with an online course, and it's called Etsy for Bosses, and I will be launching that soon. The best way to keep in contact about when that course will be launched is by simply subscribing to my YouTube channel. I will announce it in my YouTube channel, but also another way, if you're really serious about making money online, sign up for my Girl Boss email. Right now, I'm in the preliminary stages of, getting people to sign up for my Girl Boss email. These emails, I'm not going to spam anybody. I was thinking about sending maybe 2 to 3 emails per month, and you're going to get so much more by just simply joining my email. And you're also going to get the first notice when I launch Etsy for Bosses. So I'm going to be including a lot of things behind the scenes, of what I do, there is a formula for success. And it doesn't necessarily always just include Etsy alone, because there are so many ways to make money online. Okay, so, once again, back to this, my YouTube videos, basically is what I have done here is I have given niche ideas, but I have kept this pretty brief, in all of my videos. I even have a video here, the importance of having a niche for your Etsy shop, and I'm going to link that in the description below, as well as a link to sign up for my Girl Boss email. Another way to stay in contact is get on Facebook and join my Etsy passive income group. Now, someone had asked me a while back, can you leave a link to this in the description below? And I tried to do that, but it took them to the main Facebook login page and they were lost, saying they couldn't find it. So let me just go ahead and get out of this. And so let's say that you were looking for Etsy passive income. Okay, you want to make sure that you are searching right here under groups. Okay, and this is where it is. And I have it global, where anyone around the world can join this group. Now, I do want to say that I'm actually very proud of myself on this one. I only have, I think, 66 members in this group, and I did not invite not one single person from my personal Facebook page. I did this all by simply mentioning this in my YouTube videos, about how to join. It is an awesome group to join. I usually give away freebies every Friday, sometimes not, but mostly every Friday I do give away free items, or whatever. But this is just such a great group. Everybody here is so helpful, on doing things. It's also such a great feeling knowing that I have helped people to achieve their goals. They are getting started. They are now making their Etsy shops. And, it's such a great feeling when I see that someone is making 80 sales in their Etsy shop. And I feel so great knowing that they have taken the advice I have given them in these videos and put them to good use, which is why I came up for Etsy for Bosses. So I will leave a link to this below. I have already had an excellent response of people signing up for my Girl Boss email. This is simply a sign up page. You're not going to get, spammed or anything like that. But the emails are going to be behind the scenes type thing. I'll also be giving away some free items, some things that I have designed myself. And I just want to stress the importance that there are so many ways to make money online. And I feel like I've been kind of stuck on Etsy, and I really want to branch out into other areas of making money online. And I plan to do that after I launch Etsy for Bosses, which will be my online course. Now, once again, I am trying to keep everything budget friendly and user friendly, and I can assure you that the cost of my Etsy for Bosses course is not going to break the bank. It's going to go into so much detail, and it's going to simplify all of these videos that I have done on exactly what you need to do to make a full-time income off of Etsy and other ways that you can do that. Okay, so I've already talked about the announcements as far as signing up for my email and joining my Etsy passive income group. And right now I am working on giving my Instagram business page a makeover. Everything right now is just scattered. Things are not even showing, and I'm going to give this a makeover. But if you want, you can go over here and you can follow me on Instagram as well. Just some of these things are going to be deleted, and I am, I'm going to be adding some more things that I think will be helpful. So, once again, feel free. All you have to do is just search for me, Alicia Kahn. Make sure you don't get that confused with my personal Instagram page, because I do have two. I've got my personal one, and this is the one that you want to follow. It's Alicia, and then it has an underscore, and it's Kahn. So I am working on giving this a complete makeover. So I hope that this really helps to simplify everything. If you are serious about making money online, I would say that to do all these things. First, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos about the fundamentals I teach on how to make money online. Then you need to sign up for my Girl Boss email, and also please come over to the group, and we would love to have you in Etsy Passive Income. Don't forget to answer the questions. I do have a couple of questions before joining the group that you need to get into. And follow me on Instagram. This week I'm going to be working on giving this sucker a complete makeover. So I hope that this video has been helpful to you as far as where I'm going and what I plan on doing, with my business. And if you do have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And I really appreciate all of my subscribers and everyone who has signed up for my email, and all of my Etsy Passive Income group members. I really appreciate all of it. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any questions, once again, just leave them down below. And I hope everyone has a great day.